through silent seasons. You've walked through hidden years. You've trusted through the waiting. You've cried unseen tears. But heaven has been watching every seed you've sown in faith. And what felt like preparation was God making the way. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. The Lord your God is with you. This is not too late.
This is your moment. Rise and shine. The light of God on your life. You were called for such a time as this. Chosen, anointed, equipped. Step into purpose, step into grace. Heaven is backing your faith. This is your moment. Don't hold back. God's hand is on your path.
Carry treasure in weakness, power inside fragile clay. The same God who split the waters is making a way today. By Him you run through armies, by Him you leap over walls. What once looked overwhelming now will begin to fall.
Arise, shine, your light has come. The glory of the Lord has risen. This is your moment.
Not by chance, but by design.
Walk in boldness, walk in truth.
The Spirit of God is moving through you.
This is your moment, take your stand.
You are held in His hand. No voice can drown His calling out.
No past mistake,
no delay can steal what God has planned today. The same power that raised Christ now lives and breathes inside. So I will step, I will move. I've got nothing left to prove.
This is my moment. I will rise with faith alive in my eyes. I was called for such a time as this.
I will not shrink back or miss God before me. Who can stand? His promise holds my hand. This is my moment. I believe the Lord is working through me. You were born for this. You were called for this. This is your